Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can set work profile on Android. So first off, let's start from the settings of our phone here. Now from the settings of our phone, you want to go to the search settings here, and then you want to search Google, right? So Google, and then click this one, Google, and you'll be redirected to Google services here, right? Now from the Google services here, you want to click on all services here, and then you want to scroll down all the way down into device policy. Now on device policy, you'll see that there's an option to set up your work profile like this, right? So just tap on that, and then you'll have to read this. Your work profile keeps your work apps separated and it's managed by your organization, right? So to finish the setup, you'll need a code from your IT admin. So to be sure to add for the code first from your IT admin. Click on next, and then it'll say downloading. So just give it a second. Now you'll see once we get downloaded, you can see that you'll have to scan a QR code or enter the code manually in here. But after you've entered the code, your work profile will be set up. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.